See, I tried that love thing for the last time. My heart says no, no, nobody's supposed to be here. See, but you came along and changed my mind. I spent all my life on a search to find, but love won't stay for eternity. That heaven sends to fulfill my needs. But when I turn around again, love has knocked me down. My heart's broken, but it hurts so bad. It's sad to say love wins again. So I place my heart under lock and key to take some time and take care of me. See, but I turn around and you're standing here. How did you? See, how did you get here? See, nobody's supposed to be here. Oh, now I tried that love thing for the last time. My heart says no, nobody's supposed to be here. But you came along and changed my mind. Nobody's supposed to be here.
All right, let us hear from the judges, starting with Anthony.
Well, finally somebody comes along who kind of delivers something in a way where it suggests that they're in control, but they're also interpreting the song in an interesting way. Like the lyric and what it suggests, you seem to understand and know how to project and deliver it. I mean, there are some flaws along the way, but thank God, after what we've heard tonight, that's a vast improvement.
Conroy.
Package, very nice. Very good presentation. Arrangement is also nice. There are some moments I thought, you connected with the audience and you were on key for most parts. So it was a fairly pleasant performance.
Elaine.
Donica, our sunflower on a Sunday night. You look beautiful and you sound beautiful. You have a beautiful tone in your voice, and there are some choices that you make melodically that are so nice. And so it makes you stop and you go, ooh. Oy, which is nice. That's power, you know, so you have the power to pull us in. It wasn't perfect. You had some pitch problems. You had a little bit of a crack in there, and that's all right because it's a live performance and anything can happen. The thing is that you kept going and you kept us interested, and it was the best performance for the night for me.
Thanks, judges. Donica wants to live out her dreams and make it to the top. So keep her dreams alive by texting the word VOTE to 444-5506 or call 444-5506. Thanks, Donica.